Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra. Let's get started. Segment 1: Design and Display. Starting with design, the Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra is a marvel of engineering. It's incredibly slim at just 5.1 meter thick and weighs 609 grams, making it both portable and premium in feel. The tablet features a stunning 14-inch OLED display with a 3.2K resolution, supporting HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision. With a peak brightness of 1600 nits, it's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, ensuring durability. Segment 2: Performance and Hardware. Under the hood, the Pad 7 Ultra is powered by Xiaomi's first in-house flagship chipset, the X-Ring 01. Built on a second-generation 3nm process, it features a 10-core CPU, including two 3.9 GHz ARM Cortex-X925 Prime cores and a 16-core Immortalis G925 GPU. This setup delivers top-tier performance, with Xiaomi claiming an Antutu score exceeding 3 million. The tablet comes with up to 12 GB of LPDDR5T RAM and up to 512 GB of UFS 4.1 storage, ensuring smooth multitasking and ample space for your files. Segment 3: Audio and Multimedia. For audio enthusiasts, the Pad 7 Ultra doesn't disappoint. It boasts an 8-speaker stereo system with support for high-res audio and Dolby Atmos, providing an immersive sound experience whether you're watching movies or listening to music. The tablet also features a 50-megapixel rear camera and a 32-megapixel front camera, making it suitable for photography and high-quality video calls. Segment 4: Battery and Charging. Battery life is crucial for any tablet, and Xiaomi delivers with a 12,000 mAh battery that promises extended usage. When it's time to recharge, the 120W fast charging capability ensures you're back up and running in no time. Segment 5: Software and AI Features. The Pad 7 Ultra runs on HyperOS 2.0, based on Android 15, integrating AI-powered features to enhance productivity. Tools like AI writing, live subtitles, and the Gemini AI app offer advanced capabilities for content creation and multitasking. Segment 7: Pricing. As of now, the Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra is available in China with two variants: the 256GB model, priced at approximately $700, and the 512GB model at around $805. Thanks for watching.